Okay guys, today I'm gonna show you some opening traps that can actually happen in your games. So the first one, e4, starts with move e4, e5, knight f3, knight c6, and let's say your opponent plays Ruy Lopez. You respond with a6, bishop a4, and you play this d6 move which protects this pawn, and also your opponent is gonna think, okay, you played this passive move, now I can blast open the center and attack you right away. So first you chase the bishop, and after you take with the knight here. Your opponent is of course gonna take, and you see here a lot of opponents actually take here. So this is actually the trap, because after c5, yes, he's attacking the rook, but you have this move, and after check you have again attacking the queen, and then the bishop is finally trapped.